Monsanto, producing more, conserving more, improving farmers' lives. That's sustainable agriculture. More at producemoreconservemore.com.
It's looking like retail food price inflation will remain low in 2013. The Food Institute notes that inflation remained at just 1% for the first half of the year, and that the USDA's Economic Research Service has now reduced its projection for all of 2013 to a range between 1.5% to 2.5%. Now, this forecast means that prices will almost certainly increase less than they did last year, and that overall inflation is expected to be lower than the historical average for both indexes. Chief economist for the Food Institute, John Dunham of Dunham & Associates, does, however, see possible increases for food prices at grocery stores, noting that recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics counters USDA's tame forecast of food inflation. According to BLS, while the price of finished food products is growing at about 3%, the price of commodity inputs is running at 10.4%. Now, this means that the weakness in the American economy is forcing workers and businesses to reduce their wages and profits as a percentage of final consumer prices. As the economy gets stronger, workers and producers will begin to take more pricing actions, suggesting that future food price inflation at the consumer level cannot remain tame. For retailers, sales increases for 2013 have been tempered by the sluggish inflation rate. Indeed, the Food Institute recently reported grocery store sales in the first half rose just 2%, only 1% above the retail food inflation rate. Any future increases in inflation at the retail level will boost their top-line results. At the same time, however, their costs have been increasing. According to ERS, the consumer price indexes for food, food at home, and food away from home are expected to increase 2.5% to 3.5% over 2013 levels in 2014. This forecast is based on normal weather conditions. However, a resurgence of the drought in key ag areas or other severe weather events could potentially drive up food prices significantly.
The Lempert Report uploads right here 3 times a week with the information you need to stay ahead of the trends. For more, just visit thelempertreport.com.